Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is Fit at 46, what I eat and how I train. So stay tuned through the video because I have some workout clips from today's workout right here, and then I'm going to show you also what I ate on this day as well. So for quite a while now, I've been working out 4 days a week. I do 2 days of strength training and 2 days of cardio. And typically what I do is a workout at 11 a.m. and I alternate between strength training and cardio. My strength training is simple movements. I do a pull, a push, and a leg, and I do 2 rounds. So it's 6 sets total, 2 days a week. And right now I'm strength training on Monday and Thursday, and I'm running on Tuesday and Friday. And Wednesday's a rest day, and the weekends are also a rest day. But I do several walks throughout the day, whether it's a workout day or a rest day. So I'm doing a lot of walks as well. Now, 2 important things about my workouts is I always work out fasted, so I don't have my first meal or I don't have any food until 1 p.m. and I do my workout at 11 a.m. And I also go as hard as I can on the set because I'm only doing 6 sets each time. So I go 100% to failure, and then I'll push a couple partials out as well. So it's important that you go hard when you're strength training, especially if it's a limited number of sets. I just like to get in there and get it done. Now, as far as my diet, I've been eating a plant-based diet for over 12 years. So the vast majority of the food that I eat is going to be things like fruits, vegetables, big green salads, fresh juices, smoothies, starches like rice, beans, potatoes, things like that. All the other stuff, the more processed stuff, and the animal products is a minimal part, especially the animal products is a very minimal part of my diet. And I should mention I do include nuts and seeds and nut butters in my diet as well. One last important thing about my eating frequency is I always try to stop eating at least 3 hours before bedtime. That way you will sleep better, you'll have better recovery, and it's better for your digestion as well. So on this day, I started off my first meal at 12:45 p.m. It was a big green juice, fresh made at home. It was celery, cucumber, and apple, and that's one of my favorite combinations when I make juice. Then at 2:30, I put together a smoothie. I had 2 cups of coconut water. I had 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. I had 1 cup of frozen pineapple, a stick of celery. I used about half that cucumber and 2 leaves of kale. And I also ended up putting up in there 3 dates. I forgot that I had the dates, so I ended up throwing them in at the end, and I blended it up in my Vitamix. It was super delicious, made just over a liter. Try that thing out. Then at 4:30, I had a pear and a tangerine, which are in season, and they're super delicious right now. Then at 6 p.m., I made a big salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, and avocado, and I put some of the sesame ginger dressing on it. Then at 7 p.m., I had a bowl of vegetable coconut curry over rice. It had sweet potatoes, broccoli, chickpeas, some other vegetables. I had some Mary's crackers with hummus and some sourdough bread with Earth Balance. Ended up having 2 bowls of the curry. And then for dessert, I had a little bit of this dark chocolate. So that was it. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.